Good evening, Richmond County, and welcome to your Tuesday edition of Live at 5. I'm Charlie Melvin. Richmond County Schools Superintendent Dr. Jeff Maples rolled up to Therafirm just before 9 a.m. Tuesday and left with more than 16,000 face masks for students and staff. North Carolina Operations for Therafirm Vice President Ken Hartley announced Monday that his company would be donating 8,100 packs of masks for a total of 16,200 to the district. Maples said Hartley reached out to the school system a few weeks ago about the donation. According to Hartley, the credit goes to the higher-ups at NetRight Inc., which owns Therafirm. Maples said Hartley called him last week to tell him masks were ready for pickup. Hartley has also provided internships for students at the plant, which normally manufactures medical-grade compression leg wear, so they can get experience in the field, according to Maples. When there was a mask shortage in early April because of the COVID-19 pandemic, Therafirm switched production to develop and manufacture masks. The company has 94 employees, but has had to furlough some during the pandemic, according to Hartley. He added that Therafirm is starting to see business return to normalcy domestically and looking for foreign sales to pick up. The company, which has been in Richmond County for about 2 decades and at the Hamlet location for several years, ships out to around 50 countries, according to Hartley. Hartley said the company is getting orders for masks and requests for donations. The 8th death attributed to COVID-19 in Richmond County was reported late Tuesday morning by the Richmond County Health Department. County Health and Human Services Director Dr. Tommy Gerald said in a press release that his department was notified Tuesday that the patient died on Friday in a hospital outside the county. According to Gerald, deaths have ranged from 31 to 92. The county's first death attributed to COVID-19 was reported on April 10th. This is the first death reported this month. As of Monday, 405 residents have tested positive for the coronavirus since early April. According to the Health Department, 2,902 results have been negative since the testing began. Of the county's total, 120 are currently active, with 118 under home isolation and only 2 individuals admitted to a hospital. The number of recoveries so far is 278 in Richmond County and estimated 78,707 statewide. North Carolina set a new one-day record high on July 18th with 2,481, according to the North Carolina Department of Health and Human Services. The previous highest day was July 11th with 2,462. However, on Monday, the state reported the lowest number of new cases at 1,268 during the month of July. The last day new cases total fewer than 1,300 was June 30th. Out of the 1.4 million tests performed statewide, around 7% have been positive. The statewide number of hospitalizations has also dropped from a new record high of 1,180 on July 17th to 1,086, the lowest since July 13th. Another summertime tradition is being canceled due to the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. City Events Coordinator Kim Williams announced Monday afternoon that there would be no National Night Out for 2020. National Night Out is typically celebrated the first Tuesday in August and is an effort to bring the police together with the community. The Rockingham Police Department often has officers take turns in the dunking booth and makes fingerprint identification cards for children. For the past several years, there's been a rock climbing wall and other inflatable obstacle courses and attractions for the children. The students who attended the Junior Police and Fire Academy are also honored with certificates at the event. However, the annual summer camp, a joint venture between the Rockingham Police and Fire Departments, was also canceled. When we return, we got your Live at 5 weather report. It's coming up after the break, so stay tuned.
Locally owned and operated, One Stop Vape Shop is a place you'll want to check out. Whether you need vape supplies, signs, business cards, decals, or your chakras aligned, we have you covered. Our in-house print shop has quick turnaround time and is open 7 days a week. We offer a wide range of products including stones, herbs, pendants, CBD, kratom, and more. Visit us at 939 East Broad Avenue in Rockingham.
She gets her soccer skills from her mom, her sense of humor from her dad, and her drugs from her home medicine cabinet. Over half of misused medication comes from family and friends. Talk to your children about the dangers of prescription drug misuse. Secure your medication, take regular inventory to ensure nothing is missing, and properly dispose of expired or unused medication. Be aware. Don't share. Lock your meds.
At Richmond County Hospice, we strive to provide high-quality care to our patients and their families. Whether it's the incredible hospitality at the Haven House or from the comfort of your own home, you can count on Hospice to be there for you. We also offer monthly grief support groups, and our chaplain will be there to hold your hand in prayer. Through our amazing staff and our volunteers, Hospice has made difficult times easier for our community. Call the number on your screen if you feel that you or your loved one may benefit from our services. Richmond County Hospice. Peace, comfort, dignity.
Hometown heroes? Well, maybe.
When it comes to backyard comfort and no pesky mosquitoes, call Brown Termite and Pest Control at 910-895-6410 or 910-276-8870. Their team of superheroes can take back control of your paradise. That's 910-895-6410 today.
JC's in Rockingham has you covered for used appliances, parts, trailers, and storage. We have one of the largest selections of reconditioned washers, dryers, and refrigerators in the Sand Hills, and we offer free delivery to residents inside Richmond County. Come check out our variety of trailers for any hauling job and our storage buildings for the things you need out of the weather or house. We also carry parts and accessories for appliances, trailers, truck beds, and can order the things you need. That's JC's on South Hancock Street in Rockingham.
Do you want a healthcare career? Certified medical assistants are multi-skilled healthcare professionals capable of completing administrative and clerical tasks, making them a valuable member of the healthcare team at medical clinics, doctors' offices, and other healthcare facilities. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the employment of medical assistants is projected to grow 23% over the next 8 years, much faster than the national average. At Richmond Community College, our medical assisting students are trained in our cutting-edge Simulation Learning Center, giving them hands-on experience with high-fidelity mannequins that simulate real-life patient interaction. In addition to clinical skills, our students also receive instruction in scheduling appointments, coding, processing insurance accounts, billing, collections, and medical transcription. Complete the medical assisting program in just 2 years and start your lifelong career today. Visit www.richmondcc.edu to learn more about enrolling in the medical assisting program at Richmond Community College or call 910-410-1700.
McNair Auto Sales is the place to buy your pre-owned car, truck, or van. To be the best, it takes big selection, friendly staff, and great pricing. We guarantee a no-hassle buying experience, and financing is available right on site. So come see us today. We're located at 1026 East Broad Avenue in Rockingham. And remember, with over 40 years of experience, you know McNair is the name you can trust.
Your Live at 5 weather report is brought to you by Sunset Slush, Richmond County, here in downtown Rockingham. Happy Tuesday, everybody. Hope you're having a wonderful day today. Cooler temperatures have been seen today, although it may not feel like it. We're still seeing 90-degree weather, but good news is, looking at tonight, we are seeing 80s coming back in around 7 o'clock with a high of 87, or excuse me, just a temperature of 87. At 9 o'clock, 81 degrees. We're going to be seeing partly cloudy skies this evening. Sunset's going to be at 8:29, and it'll be a new moon phase, so it should be very, very dark out tonight without that moon in sight. Looking at tomorrow, though, we do have a mix between thunderstorms and sunshine throughout the Sand Hills region. As you can see here on the board, the east side is going to be seeing a little bit of sunshine and some clouds. Fayetteville will be high 94, low of 76. Down in Wilmington will be a high 95, low of 76. Over in Rayford to be a high 92, low of 75. And up in Southern Pines, it'll be a high 92 and a low of 74. And that line between Southern Pines down to about between Laurinburg and Wilmington, say Maxton maybe, it's going to be that line there between sunshine and thunderstorms, because the west side is going to be seeing thunderstorms, and including Richmond County here. LRB high of 92, low of 74. Rockingham and Hamlet, high of 93, low of 74. Down in Bentonville, South Carolina, it'll be a high of 94, low of 76, and across the PD in Wadesboro, it'll be a high of 93 and a low of 74. So we're going to be seeing, like I said, a kind of split here between sunshine and thunderstorms. Now, taking a look at the 7-day forecast, we've still got more thunderstorms on the way, and as you can see here on the board, a lot of 90s have kind of gone away from what we were seeing yesterday. We're now going to be seeing some high to mid 80s for the weekend. In fact, a little cooler weekend. So that's pretty welcoming to see, although of course there is a high percentage of thunderstorms. We'll get that here in just a moment. But Wednesday, still got in the 90s going on, high 93, low 74, a 40% chance of precipitation. On Thursday, it'll be another high of 93, low of 74, but the chance of rain goes up to a 50% chance. And then on Friday, we're getting into those high 80s there with a high of 88, low of 73, with a 60% chance of thunderstorms continuing to go up. It does go back down. That's kind of the peak there for Friday. But as we go back into the weekend some more, we'll be seeing it go down to 50% chance on Saturday. We have high of 87, low of 72. And then on Sunday, 40% chance with a high of 88 and a low of 74. Getting into early next week, Monday, high of 93, low of 75 with partly cloudy skies. And on Tuesday, we're getting back into the mid-90s, high of 95, low of 76. Partly cloudy skies once again. So as you can see, we're going to be seeing a little bit of a cool down, if you want to call it that, between Friday and Sunday. Not looking too bad other than that rain being in the area, but hopefully won't be too bad. Rain would definitely be welcoming for a little bit. But that's going to do it for your Live at 5 weather report and for tonight's edition of Live at 5. Of course, for the latest news, sports, and events happening here in Richmond County, you can always visit richmondobserver.com, or you can download the free RO app for your mobile devices. For the Live at 5 crew, I'm Russell Parker. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. Good night, Richmond County.